2 किलोमीटर.
Welcome, Vandaram, Suswagatam, my lovely people. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So this video is going to be completely about our journey from Julaki Talab till Kedakanta Summit and back here. So you guys go and see the complete video and then I'll meet you guys. Yes, so today is the second day. I am so very excited. We are all ready to go. So yesterday we reached this base camp called Julaki Talab, but it's exactly not Julaki Talab, which is 300 meters away. So first our destination will be that. There is a frozen lake over there, which is really beautiful. So he was telling that he's not sure whether it is completely frozen now because last day's weather was not so cold. So it might be a little bit watery. So we'll just see that. Stay for some time there, take some nice pictures, and then head towards Kedarkanta base camp. This is only called as Julaki Talab, also called as Frozen Lake. The history about this Julaki Talab is that when Lord Shiva untied his hair, a small drop of Ganga dropped into this place. So that is how this lake is formed. And this gets frozen in winter. So actually the meaning of Julaki Talab is a lake, and Juda is Lord Shiva's that untying hair. That is Juda, so Julaki Talab. So we have walked for around 45 minutes from Julaki Talab, and this is the last dhaba that is available in this trek. So after this there is no dhabas, no Maggies, no tea, no chai. Only when you reach the base camp you will get everything. So that came an end to our Kedarkantha peak visit. It was a pretty nice, but I was not so much happy because we had spent around 4 hours, 5 hours to go to the peak, and in the peak we could hardly spend half an hour, and then back again, walking so much to the tents back to Kedarkantha base camp, and from here now after another half an hour or so we have to again go towards Jula Ki Talab. So I feel it was a little bit hectic day. So I came back and just finished my lunch here, rice and dal and papad. So now again from here I have to pack my bags and leave to Jula Ki Talab. So we are descending back to the Jula Ki Talab camp from the Kedarkantha base camp. I know it's been a hectic day. From morning we had a lot of we had done a lot of walking and all, but still we have to do this in order to make sure the itinerary goes well. So tomorrow we are leaving back to Sankri, and the next day we might go to some other place that you guys will get to know soon. But right now we are descending towards Jula Ki Talab. Bye bye. So we are trekking downwards from Jula Ki Talab back to Sankri base camp. So yeah, almost our trek is over. One more hour of walking, we'll reach the base camp called Sankri. So from there, actually the plan is we are planning to go. We just doesn't want to end our trip just with this trek. So we have to also want to have some more fun. So that is why we have decided to go to some other place also. So you'll get to know about that later. Right now you enjoy the scenes of how we are going downwards and what all masti we are doing. So finally we have completed a trek. We are back to Sankri. Yes, it was a tough ride for 2 days, but still it is worth the effort we put, because the view, the snow, the fun we have, the tents, the sleeping bags, all these experiences really must wanted ever in your life. So yes, so our job now is going back to our rooms. We are packing our bags. We have to give back all the things we have taken for rent and head to the next destination. We just finished our tasty lunch. So the thing is, the food gets better and better every time you finish each phases of your trek. So we just completed our complete trek and we're back to Sankri, the base camp. So that is where after we freshened up, we got some nice wonderful tasty food. And now I think the best part is we're going to get a certificate also for the complete trek. So actually Kedarkantha is around 12,500 feet above sea level, and we conquered the summit and we did that and we successfully reached here. So I'm very happy, my friends are very happy, everyone are eating, enjoying, taking photos and all. And yes, I'll just show you the trip organizer. So we have come through a trick people called as Himalayan Ambition, and I'll just show you the people over there who helped us do this, and then I'll show you the certificate also. Okay, bye. Yes, so certificate distribution is going on. Thank you so much for our wonderful cook Vijay, and our travel guide Jasram Bhaiya, who was with us always, and also the one and only Shekhar Bhaiya. Yeah, thank you so much. Jasram Bhaiya, और कितने किलोमीटर है? 2 किलोमीटर, बस 2 किलोमीटर.
आज देखो हमारा जलवा.
Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys really liked it, and more entertaining videos are coming up in the next few days. Today we're going to a destination that you'll get to know in the next video. So if you have not subscribed, please hit on subscribe button and also hit on the like button, because there's too much of mehnat in making this video. So until next time, it's Vishal signing off. Live your dreams, love your life. Bye bye, take care. Full power. Only left, only left, only left, only left, only left.